The revolutionary success of the farmer-friendly formula on colorful land. The new history of Zarkhisi. A big good news for the farmers of Pakistan. In today's video, you will see that the land that had become colorless, barren, and dead through the power of Allahu Akbar in the farmer-friendly formula. How did it turn into a land suitable for Zarkhisi, Sarsabs, and Kasht? This video is especially for those farmers who are worried about colorless land. If your land has become white, barren, and colorless, water is not absorbed in the soil, and it is difficult to cultivate. If your land has become hard like a stone, and it is also difficult to plow. If you want your land to be Zarkhisi again and give more yield, then this video is for you. See the change that man himself is seeing with his own eyes. Part 1. The condition of the first land. Colorless, barren, white land. The land had become completely colorless and white. Water was not being absorbed in the soil. Everything was standing on the floor. Roots could not enter the soil. Cultivation was impossible. The land had become so hard that it was difficult to plow or drive a tractor. The farmers were very worried because nothing was growing on the land. Part 2. After applying the Farmer Friend formula, a surprising change was made. The Farmer Friend formula prepared by Syed Babar Hussain Bukhari, with 25 years of research and tireless effort, was used. After a few days of applying the formula, amazing changes were seen in the soil. Where the formula was used, the soil became deep, green, soft, and barren. Where the formula was not applied, the soil was still white, colorful, and dead. Between the pebbles where the formula was applied, the soil turned green. Where it was not applied, the soil is still colored and white. Water began to be absorbed and natural moisture began to form in the soil. Part 3. See the reality with your own eyes. Syed Babar Hussain Bukhari himself came to the fields. He shared an amazing experience with the farmers. Ghulam Abbas Mand, principal soil scientist, Mehekma Zarat retired, did a scientific analysis and confirmed the barrenness of the soil. Mn Rahim Yar Khan, Mian Ijaz Shafi, took a look at the soil and was amazed to see the results. The soil is clearly different. Without the formula, the soil is still white and dead, but the soil with the formula is green and clear. Ghulam Abbas Mand, principal soil scientist, Mehekma Zarat retired, did a scientific analysis and confirmed the barrenness of the soil. Mn Rahim Yar Khan, and was amazed to see the results. Yes, 3 years from the time he was born. He has bought it and is asking Malik Sahib about what he has got from it. How much he has worked for it, and what is his current position? What is he thinking about it? Malik Sahib, you tell us. He has put a lot of effort in this. He has got gypsum, cotton, and a lot of other things. And despite of doing all the hard work, this is the state of land. The land has been restored in 3 months after Murshid Pak Shah brought the garden. Villagers are very happy that the king has come and the garden has been restored. Thank you very much, Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you very much, Pakistan Zindabad. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Today we have come to the same place where we got the garden restored. And today we show you, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, that my Lord's mercy and my Lord's kindness, because of which this unoccupied land has been restored, I request you to show this message to the people. I request you to show this message to the people. How we have restored this unoccupied land in 3.5 months. How we have restored this unoccupied land in 3.5 months. And this is my Lord's mercy or not. And you show that how much color is on the set. And here on the ground where we have put our formula, and here on the ground where we have put our formula, and as far as the eye can see, we have planted this garden in 3.5 acres. And Alhamdulillah, all the new leaves have started to come out. And by the grace of Allah, there is a field below. And by the grace of Allah, there is a field below. Look at this. This is the spoken proof. Look at this. This is the spoken proof. And this is a very big revolution for our country. And this is a very big revolution for our country and for those people whose lands are there, but they can't plant anything because of the color, and for 30 years, 40 years, and for 30 years, 40 years. They have been sitting in the same way. They have been sitting in the same way. Who can cultivate our lands? We have put our protocol, and because of which this land has become green. And you all pray for me that I do this for my country, that I do this for my country from which the future generations benefit and reach Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad, I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. Today is the 1st of March, 2021. We are present in our Nakoder village, Shakot, and we have with us Mian Ijaz Shafi, who is MNA from Rahim Yarkhan, Ghulam Abbas Mansab, who has introduced you earlier as well. He has been a part of this episode as well. He is a principal scientist at the Agricultural Research Farm of Karachi. So, shukran alhamdulillah, all the previous videos are going on. So Mansab, please tell me, Sahab, when did we start and what do you think? In the name of Allah, I am Rahim. Mian Sahab, this exercise has been going on for the past 4 months, and it has been more than 3 months since we have planted the garden? Yes. When we have planted the Amrit garden, the pH of the soil, which we call black, is 9.3 on a high level. Planting the Amrit garden on such a high pH and in such a cold weather, the plants that have sprung up earlier also stop. Anyway, this is an unbelievable situation. The pH of the soil is now 1.4 to 1.3, and the length is 9.5. When the pH is 8.5, we do not normalize it. That is why it is considered normal. If the pH is 8.5 to 8.6, then we problem it. This means that the soil acidity is now so high that it is not possible to normalize the grass. Then the problem arises. First, treat it, normalize it, segment it, make a guide, and then you can do anything in it. The situation of the plants that you are seeing now. No, mashallah, their growth has been very good. Although the weather is getting hot now, temperature is rising. With that, God willing, it will be completed. I can't see any marginality. I was thinking that some plants will definitely be damaged in it, because it was not possible. It is impossible to survive on such a highly saline, infertile soil. So we can say that this is a good farmer. Mr. Erman, this was the same place where you came, and it was such a time that it was snowing. Your first video is also on it. I remember very well that I said here that 22nd to 23rd December is the shortest day of the year. As the days get shorter, the cold gets less. Now the temperature is rising. There is an upward movement. Then the temperature is approaching zero, where these small plants will die from the cold anyway. Yes, thank you.